Welcome back to the Spirit Shop. Today I'm going to be reviewing and checking out this mini die grinder set I got from the Tractor Supply. Guess I've already opened it, so I'm just holding it. So let's finish putting it together and give it a try. See if it was worth the $15 I spent on it. I needed a die grinder, so what have I got to lose? So let me take everything out of the packaging and then we'll discuss it. Okay, so here's what it comes with. It comes with the 1/4-inch die grinder, the mini die grinder. You push this to allow the air to go through. It does not come with the end piece bit, and I had to put that on myself. So if you get it, you'll need to have an end. It comes with both a 1/4-inch arbor and an 1/8-inch arbor, so you can use both sizes with it. And it does come with an assortment of grinding stones. 2 of them have the 1/4-inch shank and 3 of them have the 1/8. It also comes with the cutoff arbor and 5 cutoff discs, 3-inch. So, and that's mainly what I'm going to be using it for. Maybe do some polishing and grinding with the stones, but rarely. Mostly it's going to be for the cutoff disc. And it's small, and I can get into places I can't with the bigger grinders. So I needed a way to reach things that I couldn't before. So I'm going to hook up the air compressor. Let's put on, well, let's do the cutoff wheel and cut something. See how it works. Okay, first things first, we're going to unscrew this and place the cutoff disc on it. Back on. It does come with an Allen wrench and these 2 wrenches to keep things locked in. I guess neither of those go to that. That's for the main arbor, or main, yeah. So that goes in there, and then small one locks the shaft here, and the bigger one gets turned there. Turn till it's tight. There we go. Now let's hook up the air and cut something. All right, I have this metal set up in the vise here. And if the air compressor kicks on, it's going to be loud. It's going to be loud anyway, so hold your ears. Here we go. Alright, I don't have much to cut through right now, so we're just going to try and cut through a nail. Got the cutting disc on. Let me see if I can position this so I don't hit sparks in the camera. Alright, let's give it a try. It's going to be loud. Well, there you have it. That's pretty pathetic. It is just a $14 die grinder. It's made for light duty stuff. I think if the discs were thinner, because these are pretty thick, it would do a little better. But that's the truth of the matter. It doesn't make a good cutoff. probably a better sander polisher than cutter. So it is what it is. You get what you pay for. So $14. That's what I paid for. And with that, my friends, this has been another episode of The Spirited Shop. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. And as always, friends, God bless. I'll see you next time, and have a Merry Christmas.